What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video today, man, we'll be taking a look at this universal tablet stand by Savaletor. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to them for actually sending this out, because I appreciate any and everything that we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then go ahead and hit all those little buttons at the bottom of the screen. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so if you are in the market for a tablet or phone type of stand, you can find this one right here on Amazon. I make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is about $29.99. So like always, let's go ahead and scroll through and see what else we can find on this tablet. Right here is just showing you some different types of ways you can use it, different type of positions and things like that. It shows you that you can just, pretty much sit it down anywhere and just, put your tablet in it or your phone in it and you'll be good to go. Right here is going to show you all of the dimensions as far as the height and things like that, the width of this actual tablet or phone stand. Right here is showing you that it has adjustable heights and different angles that you can, set this in. And right here is just showing you that it has 360-degree rotation. It has silicone protection, facilitates charging, and that's how much it weighs right there, about 2 pounds. So let's go ahead and dive into this box. So once you open it up, you're gonna have your phone clip, and then you have the actual stand itself. And taking a look at this phone clip, this is what it looks like. It has that soft material here. It feels like it's a matte finish on this, as you can see. This is how wide it opens up right here. On the back, you can unscrew this, and this is how you will connect it to the actual base itself. So we'll do that too as well. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. And then right here you have your stand. Let's look around. You got your feet on the bottom right here. Nice stand. It is a fingerprint magnet obviously, so that is what it is. It is heavy though. Heavy. It feels like it's about 2 pounds. It really does feel like about 2 pounds. So these hinges are really sturdy. As you can see, they're really tight. So whatever position you do put this in, I'm pretty sure that it's not gonna move, as you can see right here. But just to try to stand this up for you guys, that's what the stand looks like right here. Really nice. So let's go ahead and put on the clip. So all you do is take this off right here. I'm sorry. Yep, you take this off right here, and you put it on like this, and then you take this and you slide it in, and now you're in there, good to go. And then you just screw it in. You just screw the back piece right here to tighten it up in whatever position that you want it in. And as you can see, let me slide this back for you guys. And as you can see right here, you can turn it whichever way you want. So you can get that landscape or that portrait mode. It really doesn't matter. And then you can adjust the neck. You can adjust the neck piece right here. And you can adjust this one here at the bottom. So you have a adjustable piece here, here, and here, as you can see. So you got 3 adjustable pieces. So, that's going to be a plus right there as well. So let me grab a phone. Let me grab my iPad. We'll put it in here, and then I will get a couple shots of what this looks like with the actual device sitting in it. All right, guys, I got my iPhone 10 right here in my hand because I'm shooting with my 12. I'm going to throw the iPad in it as well, but I'm going to put the iPhone 10 in it right now. All you do is slide it in just like this, and you're in there. And let's just say if you was watching YouTube videos or something like that, then you could just spin it like this, and you could turn it, and now you got, you got your landscape view. Oh, and check me out. You see that? Yes, sir. And you can turn it back this way, and I mean, you're good to go. And it sounds like pure metal. I'm liking this stand, and I don't know if you guys can see this stand here in the back, but that stand right there I used to use with my iPad, but that one is completely plastic. Now it just houses like my Xbox controllers and like my gaming buds right here. But this stand right here, this is the real deal, man, and I am liking this stand. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the iPad in here real quick and show you guys what that looked like as well. So I have the iPad right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the actual stand real quick. One thing is that I still have the case on it as well, and I like to turn it horizontal so that you can just slide the iPad in like this. Once you slide it in, all you do is adjust it after that. So once you get it in there nice and tight like that, you can turn it on, and you're good to go. And then if you just want to switch it to landscape mode, all you do is just give it a slight little spin like that, and you're good to go. I think this is a real good look, and even pairing this with something like this keyboard like that, I think that's a really good, little look, man, to have just sitting on your desk like that. If you're somebody like me who just uses an iPad only, yes, I do have a monitor, but if I was only using an iPad with no monitor, this is exactly the type of stand that I would want for my iPad. I'm actually glad that I have this stand now, because if I do one day decide to, let's just say, not even use a monitor, or I want to travel somewhere, this stand will go with me. I can just put it in my bag, and wherever I am, I can just pull it out and I can have that desktop type of feel, or like a floating type of iPad feel. So I think this is a really good look, especially when playing games, to have your iPad kind of sitting up higher. I think this is just a really good stand, man. Just one side note is that you can't keep your pencil on here when you're using it. So just keep that in mind. If you're somebody who has to have your pencil, on your iPad on a stand, then this is not the stand for you. But if you don't mind leaving your pencil off, then this is a good stand for you right here. Now, if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.